Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Hard to believe we're already in the month of February, which starts to see some changes with the weather as our average high starts out at 35 today, the average low 20. But by the last day, the 28th, our average high 41, average low goes up to 26. And you notice the daylight. That's where we really start to see the changes here. Our sunrise will be now at 7:12 by the last day of the month, and our sunsets after 6 p.m. So that will be nice. We average still about 8 inches of snow there in the month of February. What I can tell you is for the first week of February, we're likely going to see 0 snowfall at all. It's a very quiet weather pattern. It's cold enough right now that if we had moisture, it would certainly be in the form of snow. We don't have any of that here. You go into those lake effect areas just east of Cleveland, with that very cold Arctic air in place. We have a very little bit of lake effect snow there. You can see a little bit of lake effect snow there in Michigan, but none of that reaching our area. And very quiet weather across our region. We've got this front that's laid out across parts in the Mid-South. South of that front, you've got temperatures in the 70s and 80s over parts of Florida. And then on the north side of the front, you've got the Arctic air. And in between, that Arctic air seeps in. You've got the warm air riding over that cold air, and that's where you run into some big problems. This is an area of the country that tends to get these icing events when you get these kind of setups in the wintertime. So for much of Texas, we continue to see that sleet, freezing rain that extends over to Arkansas, parts of Tennessee. But again, this is all going to stay well south of here. For us, we're going to continue to stay nice and dry. So temperature-wise today, we're starting off very cold. We have the single digits and teens this morning. We'll see afternoon highs a little warmer today into the middle and upper 20s. And we'll see temperatures not getting as cold tonight. It's still cold. Temperatures right around 20 degrees. And for our Thursday, we'll see temperatures crack the freezing mark, middle to even upper 30s. But this warm up is not going to last long. There's an Arctic cold front that's going to come down. It's going to come into the area tomorrow evening after sunset, and this will allow for another big drop in temperatures heading into early Friday. Numbers will be in the single digits and teens. We throw in some more wind Thursday night. The wind chills will be about 0 to -10, stepping out the door Friday morning, so it is not going to be pleasant. And look at these highs on Friday, only into those middle teens. So again, the end of the week is going to be very cold, but what I can tell you is it's one day of really cold weather, and then Saturday we're going to jump about 20 degrees from what we see Friday. So very up and down the next several days for sure. But looking at our skycast, as far as any precipitation, there's none of that. We are nice and dry, lots of sunshine today, a few more clouds out there tonight, and then tomorrow we're back to lots of sunshine. So again, soak up the sunshine. It's going to be a very nice looking next couple of days for us. You can see Thursday night that cold front comes in. With that weak front, we might be able to squeeze out a few flurries. I'm not expecting any accumulation. And then Friday we'll have partly cloudy skies. A little more wind off of the Great Lakes will provide us with more clouds, but still some sunshine breaking through. And again, that one day of really cold weather on Friday where our high is only 17. But then we get to Saturday and we jump 20 degrees there to 37. But I will say the weekend will be quite breezy to windy. We'll have temperatures reach the 40s on Sunday, but we stay dry. In fact, our next chance of precipitation is Tuesday, and by then we'll be in the low 50s with a chance of rain.
Just crazy. That's just crazy stuff.
17 on Friday. That's miserable, but 52 on Tuesday. So you take the good with the bad.